What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Raptor. Today we're going to be installing some much needed rear vents. All right, guys, so as you can see here, this is the only rear vent for the four-door Bronco. Look at this thing. You cannot see it. It's literally dug into the floor. It is collapsed already into the floor. So we ordered the new Mabett pieces. We're going to attach them, show you how they mount, and we're going to see how much better it works. So let's get to it. So we're going to start with a quick unboxing. You can see those are the two grills there, and then here are the few pieces that make up the vent extension. So from there, this is the first method that you can use to install it, which is the one that I do not prefer, but it's the one that's commonly shown online. You can see that you try to get the two pieces together, and I had a hell of a time trying to line up all the tabs and could not get them to all snap in for the life of me, but I stuck through it to get through it for this time. But this is not the way that I preferred. Next up, you're going to grab that grill, just throw that on there, then you're going to tuck your floor mat back underneath, and you're going to be all set with install style number one. Now I'm going to show you on the passenger side the method that I do prefer, and this is what I'll call install number two. So what you want to do for this method is just slide the seat up, remove your floor mat, and you actually take the whole factory vent right off. As you can see, it just slides right out. There's nothing that really holds it in. It's just a snap fit. So I just slid it right out. This way I was able to put them together right there out in the open. And then the hardest part is just realigning the factory vent with the floor. And once you find it, you can see it snaps right in there. You're all set. Then just retuck the floor mat underneath, check for the fit, make sure it's all nice and snug, and you're good to go. So that would definitely be the way that I would recommend. It is worlds easier than method number one. So thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more Bronco Raptor content. Yeet!